There's nothing, you need a bigger breast to wear this. Breasts were plump and up.
Hey guys, I'm Tashika and I'm here with my mom. And we're with 49 on the rating show. So today, my mom's going to be rating my summer outfits. I'm excited to see what you're going to think.
Which brand?
Oh, the brand is Stradivarius. Okay, let's get into the video. So this is the first outfit. Guys, I love the colour. I love how bright it is. You ready to see this?
Yeah.
Okay, open your eyes.
That's nice.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
This is screaming summer.
I like this Tash.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
We love it tights.
Yeah, and even though I'm not really a pattern kind of person,
Yeah.
I love the pattern on this one.
Yeah. I love the colour, the pattern Tash. The pink with the yellow flowers.
Yeah, nice.
Comfortable.
Yeah, this is a size small.
Yeah. It fit really nice. It look like something could have we go gym. It look a bit big in our back, but it's not obvious.
You know your girls got a small waist. This is nice.
I love it.
The rate is at 10
I
dollars.
love it, make it 10.
I'm keeping this one.
Yeah,
This one's nice. I love it. Open your eyes. This is just...
No. Eat your breast, Tashika. Look on it. Nothing did there. Nothing in a cup.
There's no support.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Exactly.
There's nothing. You need a bigger breast to wear this. Breasts were plump and up.
Yeah, this isn't it. I don't like this.
No.
I don't like clothes that make me feel like my breasts them flat.
Let me see it. The only thing I like about it is the colour. It just look like a one little cute summer dress. But not for you, Tash. I could never see you wear just like this.
No.
If me see you come out of the house and just like this, Tashika, I know something wrong with you. I know. If you, Tash, if you go through this and do here, it not sit like this, something wrong with you.
Yeah, because the colour.
The whole dress, the whole thing. I go say, no, hey, this is not Tashika. As I say, you look like a little 16-year-old in there. Like a little girl. Yeah, if you walk in the eyes like this, and you go pick up a bottle of alcohol, they will definitely ask you for your ID.
So we are rated.
Me give 2.
It's supposed to be elegant and grown and classy.
This is not elegant and grown classy dress. This is kids' party dress.
So this is the third outfit.
This one nice.
Really?
It's tall.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's thin though.
Very thin. That's the only thing we have a problem with.
Yeah, very thin.
You can literally see the label through it.
I like the top. We could see they wear the top with something else.
Yeah.
But I don't like the bottom.
You couldn't wear it as a set like on holiday?
I don't like it as I said, the pants too thin.
On the beach?
Yeah, I see one of your
maybe but
print out.
okay.
Yeah. Very, very thin. You have to go away without no baggy. I give it 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah, I give it 5. If the pants was a little bit thicker, but too thin.
I don't mind. I can see myself wearing it on holiday. I look good.
But it's too long, Tashika. It go dry. It go look on your foot. You can't even see your toe.
It don't matter.
So when you go wear it?
Person.
Without no slipper, just walk.
I don't know. I'll figure it out.
Okay.
So this is the last outfit, guys. You ready?
No.
What?
No, Tashika, I'm not ready. Because the dress not ready.
I like the colour.
No, me not ready and the dress not ready. You not ready.
What's wrong with it?
Tashika is ugly. You don't see it? You don't see it?
Yeah, but what makes it ugly?
The whole design, the whole shiny thing on it, it just look cheap.
Of course it's big.
Just make it look cheap.
Don't.
Yeah.
Of course it's big for my breasts because I don't have any.
The whole dress. You know Tashika.
Actually, yeah, but all I said, Mummy, is I like the colour, I like the style, but on me, it's just not giving. It's not doing what it's supposed to do.
I don't like the satin sitting. It just look like a Nike with shiny on it. I give this one a 0. Minus.
Okay guys, so this is the last outfit. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let us know which outfits you want to see us try next.